Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. This is Dale Woodson, one of Timer Digest's top ranked stock market timers. While I've been trading for 30 plus years, relatively new to YouTube, so appreciate if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the reminder bell and of course the like button. I appreciate you patronizing our channel. Okay, and as you can see, my recent 3-year trading with the short-term report we started. Even though I've been trading 30 years, we started a short-term report. You can see our track record there. Average over 700 trades a year. So conveniently, if you don't want to sit in front of your computer all day, you can contact Striker Securities. They now auto-trade all of the Woodson Wave Report signals for the future accounts. Okay, we want to do a report today on a Thursday, unusual for us because something major happened and we need to get into it. So let's look at what we were looking for with our make or breaks here. You can see here our Fibonacci time spiral called all these alternating highs and lows into the October 30th low, of Fibonacci 55 days after the September 2nd high. And then it pointed to November 30th, and we had a plus Fibonacci 8 or 9 days that got us into the most recent high on 12/9, and here it is here. The futures actually topped on a Fibonacci 8 days after that turn date. But since then, here you can see our make or break, okay, 36.28, that had to hold. And on the other end, we needed to move above the 37.11 or 12 high back on 12.9. Well, we got it. So now we know our preferred or primary wave count is intact, and our alternate count that showed an ending diagonal triangle, that is in the red here. You can see where 4 overlaps 1. We had a 1 up, a 2 down, a 3 up. This is in red, a 4 down, and a 5 up. That was our alternate count with ending diagonal. We needed a break of this 36.28 to make that become our primary count. It did not happen. What we got was what we anticipated, because it was our primary count. Our preferred count was a move above this 12.9 high. That happened at this morning's open. So let's get into the market and see what is actually going on, okay? Let's look at a daily chart. You can see here's the March lows. We have a 1 up, a 2 down, 3 up into that September 2nd high. And this is where that time spiral called all these turning points into this October 29th low. You can see this is our preferred count. It won out, and we have a target here where 5 equals 1 at 39.96. Okay, so this fifth wave is unfolding. We've had a 1 up, 2 down. We anticipate a 3 up, a 4 down, and a final 5 up. So I like to look at things from the 4th wave low. So this October 30th low is back here. Now we're on an hourly chart, and you can see here we had minor wave 1 up here. It's subdivided so beautifully. We had a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a 3 up here in minute degree, and that 3 broke down in minuet degree, if you will, and get too technical with you guys, with a 1 up, a 2 down, 3 up, a 4 down, and a 5 up, okay? And that was the November 9th high. From there, we've had a 2, and now we're looking at a 3, and this thing is unfolding as we speak. You can see that gives us a 39-something target there, but we want to look at this a little bit more detail. You would think this would be look at the ascent, on this first wave, and then you see the third wave is more sideways, if you will. Really thought this would take off. Here is was our 36.28 make or break line. As you know, 4 cannot go below the high of 1. That's why it was our make or break, okay? Once it broke down, then this would have been an ending diagonal triangle. It didn't. It went above this 37.12 high. Today at the open over here, it gapped up. So that eliminated that count. So we can delete that now. We don't need it. Okay, and there's our 3. Let's look at this a little bit closer here. Let's delve into this. You can see here's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're getting that fifth wave now. Let's look at our Fibonacci extensions if we can, and see how these play out. Here's 2. You can see, oh yeah, there's a chance 3 could go higher because the 1.618 is up here at 37.29, although it went between the 1 and the 1.618, but there is still a chance that that could go higher. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a perfect 5 ways extended. So it's more than likely right there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it was just shy of the 1.618. Okay, we can remove that, and then we can look at this fifth wave, see what kind of target we get for that. There is our 1 top. There is our 4 bottom right there. That should give us a target here. Again, it's sitting right on that 37.50. That's our near-term target now. Okay, and from this fourth wave low, we have 1 up, 2 down, and I got that make or break for this wave to be valid. We need to stay, or the S&P needs to stay above 36.97. I take that back. It could go in a series of 1s and 2s. Like if this is 1 and this is 2, and in this 1 and this 2 could go down there if 3 subdivides, which it can do. We got to watch this play out still, okay? But that is that second wave there is December 14th low. So this is what we're looking at. That was a nice move up, validated our main count. Let me see if we got this a little closer. Here we go. Here is that that first wave high, second wave low. There is our old make or break. That was the one previous, okay? Well, that is the first wave now. So this 4 would have to stay above that 1, and this thing looks like it's really extending here, okay? So we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1 of 3. This is 2 of 3. We're getting deep into the woods in this, but this thing is subdividing. There's our other first wave high there. Okay, that's at 36.67, and then we've got another 5 waves going up here. So again, 37.50 is our near-term target, and this high here, which is just under 3,700, 36.96, should hold as long as this doesn't subdivide it and this becomes a 1, and then this 2 would have to stay above this low here. Okay, hope that makes sense. Hope I'm not getting too deep in the woods with this with you guys, but you can see where this validated our wave count. So we're looking 37.50, and then ultimately just under 4,000 at 39.96. Wanted to touch base on Tesla, okay, because it looks like today, and this is a daily bar, it went above this 5 of 5 of 5 high. So as you can see, this is our fourth wave triangle, and flat top, ascending bottom, wave E throw under, classic, and then we have 5 waves up. Okay, so we'll do a little live analysis here because that can't be 5 if that's higher. Okay, today's high is, let's see what that is, 658, and this one was 654. By the way, look at these. Let me see if I can get these a little bit closer for you guys. This red bar right here on November 30th, that was a key reversal day or an outside day. Made a new all-time high, closed lower than the previous day's low, and we had that 4-day trading pattern or formula, if you will, and after the first day it broke it. And then look again here on the on December 9th, it put in another key reversal, a second one. Okay, it made a new all-time high, closed below the previous day's low. It didn't even follow through for a day. It moved up the next day. So anyways, throwing some fake outs. It's looking like it's topping, and it's not. And here we are again. So this can't be right. So let's move this stuff around here. Okay, that is 5 waves up there, but it's not the end 5 waves. Okay, so this now becomes 3, and that's a heck of a 3. My goodness, because I was looking for that to correct that 5 wave advance. That's no longer a 5 wave. That's 1, 2, and 3, so we can remove that. Okay, let's just see what kind of multiple. 3s can take on any Fibonacci multiple it chooses with 1. Here's where 3 is equal to 1. Here is a 1.618. Here is a 2.618. Look at that, a 3.618 if that is 3. Wow, that is unbelievable. We'll get a 4 down and a 5 up to higher highs, but that is, wow, 3 right there. I would even think that that would be more like 3. Okay, and then we'd have, let's do a retracement here. If that is 3, and it still could go higher, but it is interesting that it's right on the 3.618 multiple. Let's get a retracement of that if it is a high. The fact that the S&P is going higher, there's no reason why Tesla won't go higher, so it may not be. But if that was 3 and 4 and 5 is still going, let me just see what it was from here. It's hardly a retracement at all. Didn't quite make the 382 from there. Okay, there's the 382 retracement at 554. We had a low of 566. So the retracements are few and far between, and they're not even reaching the first retracement level of 382. So if S&P is going up, Tesla's going up, or maybe if Tesla's going up, the S&P is going up now that it's in the S&P 500. Okay, so our preferred wave count is on. We're looking for ultimately 39.96, near term around 37.50 before this pulls back. We'll update you guys as all this unfolds. Once again, thank you and take care, everyone.